Good morning, students. I welcome you to know how to perform selections in the Excel workbook and also how to change the widths and the heights of the rows and columns, and also how to make the cells. Let us discuss these topics in this session. Now, to select a row, you just place the cursor on the row number, and when you place the cursor over the row number, the cursor will get changed in a single-headed black arrow, and when you click it, what happens is the entire row will get selected. If at all you wanted to select an entire column, you just place the cursor and the cursor becomes a black small one-headed arrow, and when you click it, the entire column will get selected. If at all you wanted to select a range of cells, you can make use of Shift plus right arrow key and down arrow key and up arrow key or else left arrow key. Like this you can select a range of cells. If at all you wanted to select the entire sheet, then press Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A will select the cells in the entire sheet. Or else Shift plus arrow keys you can make use to select the range of cells. Shift plus page up and page down also you can make use, so that will select the columns accordingly. And then now let us look at how to resize the size of the columns and the rows. In order to resize the row height manually, you place the cursor on the grid line of the row under the row number. When you do it, it will start changing. The cursor will get changed into the resizing handle. That is the double-headed arrow. Now you can just like that drag and drop down or drag up in order to change the height of the row. The same thing is applicable to change the width of the column. Now you see, I place the cursor, the column address, and then I made it as a resizing handle, then drag left or right to change the width of the column. Or else you can change with the help of the Format tab in the home menu. Here, this Format tab changes the row height or column width, organize sheets or protect or hide cells. We just click the down arrow key. You will get many options there, and I wanted to change the row height. The row height at present it is 15. So then I can change it as 25. Click OK. The row height has changed now. Now again I can change the row heights of 4 to 5 rows at a stretch using the format. You see, it has become 25. If at all you wanted to do manually, what you have to do is you have to manually make use of this dragging for each and every row on your own. If you wanted to do it in one single stretch, then what you can do is you can select the rows and then go to format and then select row height instead of 15 you just give 25, then all the rows will get displayed with the row height 25 unit. And then for the columns, you can select the columns. I have selected 2 columns, and then go for formatting, and then column width. Now it is 3.43. I wanted to change it as 5. So I entered 5, click OK. What happens? It has been diminished. If at all I wanted to increase it, go for formatting again, column width. Now the column width is 15. I wanted to change it to 10. Click OK. Now it has been increased. Like this you can increase, decrease or else resize the rows and the columns very easily, whether with the help of the resizing handle or with the help of the format menu in the home. If at all you want to insert row or a column, what you can do is you can just like that simply go to insert menu, and there you can see insert column. Here only, sorry, it is there in the home tab. I'm sorry, I have confused with the insert menu of 2003 and XP editions. I'm sorry, it is there in the home menu itself. So insert, here you can insert sheets, you can insert sheet rows, you can insert sheet columns, you can insert sheets, or you can insert cells also. I wanted to insert row, so I just click insert row. A row has been inserted with the format of the previous row, because you see the height of the row. And then you can insert the columns also. You just go here and again click insert and insert sheet columns. One column has been inserted. Or else you can just like that right click the active cell, and from there you just try to choose insert, and there you can find insert cells up, cells right, entire row, entire column. I wanted to have entire row, just click entire row, click OK. So you can insert via the insert option in the home menu, or else right click and from there you select insert tab. And if at all you wanted to delete the contents of the cell, say for example here I have wrongly typed some word, I wanted to delete it. What you can simply do is you just select the cell and right click it and then choose clear contents. Or else what else you can do is you can just like that delete it by pressing delete key. And then it is also possible for you to merge the cells. See, now I wanted to merge these 3 cells alone. So select it either by dragging the mouse pointer or else a shift plus right arrow key. Now you have an icon namely merge and center. See, the merge and center will merge all the 3 cells, and whatever I enter will get centered like this. So you can make use of this merge cells to enter lengthy text or lengthy numbers. And then if you enter the text here, it will get automatically left aligned. It will get automatically left aligned. If you wanted to align it in the center, you just choose center alignment. Right alignment. or left alignment, anything you can. Or else you want to up the cell, above the cell, center the cell, below the cell, bottom of the cell, top of the cell, center of the cell, below the cell, bottom of the cell, right, left align, center align, right align. These things you can do, the alignments are also possible. If you enter the numbers will get automatically left aligned. The characters will get right aligned. The numbers will get left aligned. And you have many more formats also, number formats, scientific formats. By clicking this, what you are trying to do is accounting. You wanted to have this format, or else if you wanted to have this format, whatever format, I wanted to increase the decimal and decrease the decimal. You see what happens. You see what happens. Percentage. You see what happens. It is a dollar. It is a percentage. It is a increase or decrease the decimal points. All these things you can do with the help of number formatting. So you can now do the changing of row height, column width, either with the help manually or with the help of the insert command under the home tab of the menu bar. And you to change the alignments, top, bottom, center of the cell, and also left align, right align, center align, and justify. And to merge the cells, and to apply different formats, number formats, percentage format, or else the euro for dollar formats, and all these things you have learned in this sessions. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.